Hello and welcome to your beginner morning yoga flow. We begin seated in a cross-legged position, grounding from the sit bones. Make yourself long from the crown of your head and begin to tilt your head to the right. Reach the left arm out to the side, feeling for that stretch along the side of your neck and shoulder. Option to gently guide your head to the right side with your right arm. Gently release and lift the head up and over to the left side. Option to place the left hand on top of your head, guiding the left ear to the left shoulder. Gently release and come back into center. Bring the left arm across your chest, right hand to the shoulder, and gently guide the left arm out to the side. Go ahead and switch sides by bringing the left arm across your chest, left hand comes to your shoulder, gently guiding your arm to the side. Gently release and rest your hands on your knees. Whenever you're ready, go ahead and we'll find some movement in the waist, just making circles with your belly or finding some organic movement. Maybe finding small circles, then big, or just rocking side to side. Finding circular motion here, really warming up the spine. Circle in the opposite direction as well. From here, come into all fours position. Wrists under shoulders, knees under hips. Keep your hips in line with your knees and walk your hands forward. Slowly let your chest sink down, heart sinking to the mat. This can be quite intense for the shoulders, so go as far as you feel comfortable with. Maybe letting your forehead rest on the mat or even the chin. Final few breaths here. On your next inhale, come up and we'll ripple forward into Cobra pose. Keeping a little back bend in the elbows here. Thinking of pulling your chest forwards to broaden the front of your body. Come down on your belly. Begin to bend your right leg and roll over onto your left. Placing your right foot beside your left knee. From here, flex your left foot. Inhale, reaching the arms up overhead, creating length. Exhale, take a twist to the left. Left arm wraps around your right knee and right arm comes behind. Turn your head to gaze over your right shoulder and we hold this gentle spinal twist for a few breaths. Slowly unwind and we are coming into a counter twist by twisting towards the right. Left arm comes behind. Come back to center and let your right knee fall out to the right side. Right foot comes to the left thigh. Inhale, reach your arms up, find length. And exhale, fold forwards. Don't worry how far you fold, just allow gravity to do its work here. Keeping your back nice and long. Take a deep breath into your belly. And exhale, fully breathe into your stretch. Great, slowly come back up and roll onto all fours position. Lower down onto your belly and come into Cobra by pushing your palms and lifting your chest, keeping the shoulders away from your ears. Come down onto your belly. Bend your left leg and roll onto your right. Placing your left foot by your right leg. With your inhale, reach your arms up. Find length from the crown of your head. Exhale, take a twist to the left. Right arm wraps around your left knee. Left arm comes behind. Take a few breaths here while enjoying this beautiful spinal twist. And slowly unfold, coming into the counter twist by twisting towards the right. Right arm comes behind. Softly release, come back to center and let your knee fall out to the side. Flex your left foot. Inhale, reach your arms up, find length again. And exhale, fold forwards, reaching to your toes or your shins or just the knees, staying wherever the body takes you today. Keeping your back nice and long here. Great, gently come back up into all fours, tabletop position. Wrists under shoulders, knees under hips. From here, let your big toes touch and send the hips to your heels. And while you slowly lower down, thread the left arm under the right, coming into child's pose variation. Forehead or cheek resting on the mat and feeling a nice little stretch along the right side body and left shoulder. Slowly unwind, reach your left hand to the top of the mat, coming into full child's pose here. Using your inhales to create space. Exhale, softening the body wherever you can. And With your next exhale, thread the right arm under the left. Slowly unfold and come back up into a kneeling position. Inhale, reaching the hands powerfully up to the sky. Bring your palms to touch. Exhale, hands to heart center. Namaste. Thank you so much for joining me on this gentle flow, and I hope to see you on the mat again soon.